Today we're paying the price for sitting in the same place for 5 months and pretty much neglecting any sort of maintenance that has to happen because we've been having way too much fun. So we're tearing everything up and getting ready to go. It's quite the mess. The only good news we have is it's actually 5 days till we leave, so it could be worse. We actually have a little bit of time, so we're leaving next Thursday, and today is Saturday, and so that gives us a few extra days. At least it's not Wednesday night and we're freaking out, so we're trying to get things a little bit packed ahead of time. So that's our hot tip of the day. Try to pack early and be ready to go when it's time to go. Part of the air conditioner noise is like 90 degrees today, but this is what happens when you have 5 months of roof and sitting under trees in Florida. Ooh, those panels are dirty. Hey guys, I'm Garrett.
And I'm Christy.
And we're Big Red Adventure. Today we're here washing our RV that we've been neglecting since when? November?
At least.
Yeah, when we left from Atlanta, we washed it really well, and then since then we've pretty much neglected it. So that was November, and now it's, what month is it? March.
March.
So not quite 6 months, 5 months.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and we forgot to wash the Jeep. We've washed that thing once since we've been here. It was kind of a mess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but luckily we have a few secret weapons that make it a little easier for us to actually wash our RV. So the first one Christy has in her hand
is our brush. A long brush.
A brush with
a pole.
with a special pole. This pole has 3 sections. Highly recommended. You have a especially tall coach, you need this brush. Take that back. Second thing is this little guy. This is a soap gun. You put soap in, a little bit of water, and hook it to our third secret weapon, this guy. This is our pressure washer. And I know a lot of people have smaller RVs and can't carry one, but if you have the room for it, it is gold when you need it. All right, so let's get this done.
Let's do it.
All right, the first step we do is fill a bucket with just clean water. We use this to keep the sponges and the brush clean. The soap is actually applied with the soap gun. The soap gun is an amazing invention. All you do is put a little bit of soap in the bottle, hook it to your pressure washer, and it just sprays just super sudsy soap on the coach. You waste a lot less soap and it puts it on really fast and well. We're using this yacht soap concentrate, which we used to use for our boat, and it works really well. But you can pretty much use any safe cleaner for your RV.
spray gun can be adjusted to a wide spray or a narrow spray depending on your needs.